Did you know a stolen bucket once started a war that killed over 2,000 people? In 1325, soldiers from the Italian city of Modena raided their rival Bologna and stole a wooden bucket from a well. Just a bucket, but this wasn't really about the bucket at all. These cities were on opposite sides of a massive political war. Bologna supported the Pope, while Modena backed the Holy Roman Emperor. The bucket theft was the final straw. What started as a petty raid exploded into full-scale medieval warfare. Thousands of soldiers clashed at the Battle of Zappolino. When the dust settled, Modena had won a crushing victory, and over 2,000 men lay dead. The victorious Modenese kept that bucket as their ultimate trophy. And here's the crazy part. That same wooden bucket still hangs in Modena's bell tower today, almost 700 years later. It might just be the most expensive stolen property in human history, all because someone really wanted a bucket.